Hi friends, this video shows how to do hard reset and set up the TV again. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select settings from top. Then under settings, select device preferences. Under device preferences, select about. Under about, here we can see factory reset. Select factory reset. Then again select factory reset. Select factory reset here. Here we should be careful because this operation would delete all data from TV, including photos, videos, apps, accounts, everything. So we should take backup. Select erase everything. So we should take backup of data in the TV before doing this operation. Now TV is restarting. Please wait. So now it's erasing the data. Please wait. Okay, erase operation has completed. Now TV is restarting. Okay, done. So now hard reset has been completed. Now let me complete the setup. Select language, then select skip. Then in the screen we have to select Wi-Fi network. Select Wi-Fi network, then connect to that Wi-Fi. We need to enter Wi-Fi password here, then connect to that Wi-Fi network. Okay, I have entered Wi-Fi password. Let me connect. See, now it's connecting. Okay, it's connected. Please wait. Next we need to sign into Google account. So here we need to enter Gmail ID. Enter Gmail ID, then select next. Then in the next screen we need to enter password. Okay, I have entered password. Go to next. Done. So in this screen we have to select accept. Tap on accept. Then in next screen select no. Then select no. Here we can select continue. Then select continue here. Here select no thanks. So here it's asking for list of apps which we need to install. I don't want to install any app now. Let me unselect all these apps, then select continue. Okay, setup has been completed. So let me go to the next screen. Okay, so this way we can do hard reset and set up the TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.